Hello guys, and welcome back to the Blessed Family. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious bitter leaf soup, also known as unubu soup. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. So this is my washed bitter leaf, blended pepper and crayfish, my dry fish and stockfish, and ogiri. And here is my blended cocoyam, ede, salt and seasoning cube. So here is the already parboiled meat I'll be using to cook. So I started by adding blended pepper and crayfish, seasoning cube and red oil to it. Then after it, you add the water you use for the cooking. Cover and allow it to cook. After 2 minutes, I added the stockfish and dry fish. Then I added the blended cocoyam, the ogiri. Stir and allow it to cook until the cocoyam is properly dissolved. So guys, here is the final look of our delicious unubu soup. Trust me, it was very delicious. So please guys, subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Bye.